mail merge facility allows you to combine both the documents, okay, and give you a perfect output. Now suppose if you are not knowing the mail merge facility, what would you do? Step number 1, you will type a letter, okay, then you will open the file which is containing the list of the candidates. From there you will copy the name and address of the candidate one by one, and the appointment timing you will go on copying and pasting it. First you will copy the first records thing and paste it on the invitation letter. Then you will save that file with a name of that candidate. Then again you will open the same type of letter which you have typed and you will paste the name and address of the second candidate, and so on. This is a very lengthy procedure. Instead of that, using mail merge, you have to just combine both the documents, and automatically on each letter the name of the candidate and the address of that candidate will be different on all the letters. Suppose there are 1000 candidates or 100 candidates or 10 candidates, it will take equal amount of time in merging both this document. So I hope that you understood the importance of mail merge facility. So now I will teach you practically how to use this facility. Mail merge facility is very useful, and that is why I am teaching you that facility using Microsoft Word program. Since Microsoft Word you all have got at your house, okay, so as soon as you open Microsoft Word, now there are different versions of Microsoft Word. I am using 2013 version. So as soon as you open the program, it gives you different templates, okay. See, if I want to type a letter and I don't know how to type the letter, then it provides me a template. I have to just click on it and type my matter, and it will give me the hint what I have to type, where to place the logo, everything will be given to me. So from that I can choose any of the template I like. Or another thing is, if I don't want to use this facility, okay, then I can straight away start with a blank document. Okay, at present I am doing so. Fine. Now on the right hand side I will have to type my name and address, that is the name and address of the company. So the first work is over, that is typing the letter. Okay, I have finished typing the letter. Now next thing what I have to do is I have to save this letter. See, here I have not inserted the name of the recipient. Okay, name of the candidate, address I have not inserted here. I have kept it blank. Fine. Now first thing I need to do is I should save this letter. Okay, now I have already saved this letter with the name invitation to the candidates. Okay, fine. Now I begin the mail merge process. Now where do I need to insert the name and address of the candidate? Just below 2. Okay, I am zooming it little bit. Here I need to insert the address of the recipient. Fine. So we begin the mail merge process. So for that I have to click on mailing. As soon as I click on mailing, these many options will open, from which I have to click on the option named mail start mail merge. As soon as I click here, it shows me so many sub options: letters, email, messages, envelope, labels, so many things, right? From which I click on letters. Okay, next thing that now I have to insert the names and the addresses of the candidates. So have I got a list with me? No, in this example I do not have. Okay, generally the company who is sending this letters have got the list, but in our example we don't have the list. So I click on select recipients. I click on type a new list. See, if I had already got a list, then I would have clicked on use an existing list, but I don't have a list, so I click on type a new list. So I click here. So it will open this dialog box, new address list. Now here there are so many fields displayed: title, first name, last name, company name, so many fields. Now I don't require so many fields in my list, so I need to customize this field. So how shall I customize the fields? I click on customized columns. Okay, so it will display me the list of all the fields which are there. Now I will delete the unwanted fields like this way. Okay, so at present I kept only these many fields: title, first name, address line and city, and I click OK. So here you can observe that only 4 fields are there. Fine, now I start preparing the list. I will enter only 5 records to explain you the concept. Okay, and address, I will not type a real address, I will just press any keys on the alphabet to save time. Mr. Now in the first name only I will also include the surname. So my first record is entered. This is known as one record. I have already entered one record. Now I click on new entry. Again I enter one record. And now last record. Fine, so I have done the entry of 5 different records. Now this thing is not entered in this current document of Microsoft Word. Okay, remember this thing, we are combining 2 documents, so this will create another document. So as soon as I click on OK, it will ask me to save this address list. Okay, so I save it with a name list of candidates. Okay, fine, so our thing is ready. Okay, now next step is edit recipient. Suppose if I don't want to send the letter to all the candidates of the list. Okay, for example, I don't want to send it to Valai Sharma, then I can remove the tick mark from here. Okay, so like this way you can adjust the thing. Just now I am sending it to everybody, so I am putting the tick mark against all the names. Fine. Then comes next thing, inserting the address block. If I click here, then as it is, the whole address block will get inserted. That is a correct technique, I can do it. And if I want to insert individual fields, then that also I can do. So I will insert individual field. First field I will insert will be title. Okay, now just observe here what is happening. Here a field is inserted like this way with angular brackets, double angular brackets along with the field name. Now I leave a space in between. Okay, then after leaving space I insert the next field, and that is first name. Then I put a comma and I go to the next line and I insert another field, that is address line. I put a comma and I insert the third field, that is city. So all the 3 fields are inserted. All the 4 fields are inserted. Now my work is over. Now I can straight away take the printout. But before taking the printout, if I want to see the preview, then how to see the preview? Here this button is kept, preview results. Okay, so I click here. Now just see, instead of the field name, here it will display the actual name, right, of record number 1. Now this is known as navigation toolbar. Okay, from the navigation toolbar I can see the other results. See, now I am clicking here. Dhari Shah, Valay Sharma, Prashant Parekh, Zainab Trivedi, right? So like this way you can navigate and check the records. So this is a very useful facility. It saves time. This is just 5 records, but if you have got 1000 records, a list of 1000 candidates, then that also you can merge in this many seconds only. It will not take much time. Fine. So our thing is ready. Now the next part which comes is printing of this document. How to take the printout? Simple. You have to click on finish mail merge. Okay. Now after that you have to click on print document or print individual document. Both means the same thing. You can also send this email message. Fine, I am clicking on print document. So it will ask me the question, would you like to print all the letters? If I click OK, then it will start printing all the letters, and in all the letters the name and the addresses will be different. At present it will print 5 pages, 5 appointment letters, 5 invitation letters, okay, with different names and addresses. So I click OK. I'm not going to take the printout right now. Okay, so from here I can choose the printer whichever I want to use. At present I am using this printer. Okay, and I have to simply click on OK, and it will do my task. Ready. It will take the printout. So this was all about mail merge. If you have not understood the thing, please watch the video again. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe the channel.